On this episode, I'm gonna be bringing you a nice, simple dessert for after a nice dinner. I'm bringing you a nectarine and a blueberry. Put these together, we're gonna create a nectarine blueberry crumble. Oh so easy and oh so flavorful. I'm Chef Winston and welcome to Floribbean Cuisine. Let's get cooking. So with this crumble I'm gonna be preparing this time on this episode, you can prepare this crumble with any kind of fruit. We can call this a fruit crumble. We can do an apple crumble, a mango crumble, a whole bunch of different types of crumble because this topping that I'm gonna create is very versatile. You can put on any kind of fruit. This time of year, we got some beautiful nectarine and I got some blueberries that we're gonna be using for this episode. So, first thing first, we're gonna take some unsalted cold butter and dice that up. Make sure this is cold. It has to be nice and cold for this to work, to make this crumble nice so it can distribute slowly and evenly once you start using it on your crumble. Followed with this, put this in here. I'm gonna put on here some flour as well as some brown sugar, some white sugar, and a little bit of salt and cinnamon. So, what's next is this. We're gonna take, this is called a pastry cutter. This blends in the butter and everything. So what we're doing here, we're working this in, turning and twisting and cutting this butter into this mixture. Just like this. We're trying to get this to resemble the size of maybe hazelnuts or maybe peas. This is exactly what I'm looking for. See, it's the size of peas. You got pieces that can clump up if you squeeze it. This is what it's looking like. Okay, this is really good. So I'm gonna put this back in the refrigerator to keep it nice and chill. Now we're gonna start with our filling. I got some beautiful, oh man, smells really good. Very fragrant nectarines here. We're gonna peel the skins off of these. It's very easy way. I will show you how to do that. What I got back here is some hot water. We're gonna add our nectarines in here. Not for too long. And after 60 seconds, you start fishing them out and plunge them into ice cold water. Just like this. See this? The skin comes right off very easily, just like that. This is what we're trying to accomplish. Now the nectarines are all peeled. I end up cutting them up into big chunks. So, to this filling, I'm gonna add some blueberries. I've got some lime zest, lime juice. You got some honey to make it taste a little sweet. You can put a little bit or more based on your favorite preference or how sweet you want it. Sometimes the fruit is not that sweet. So if it's not sweet at all, you add more honey, of course, or sugar. Fold this up. Looking nice. Oh yes. And what I got here is a little bit of flour. The reason I'm adding this flour is once it starts cooking, it's gonna create a nice little sauce inside of the containers I'm gonna cook it into. So now this is all mixed up. I pulled out my crumble out of the refrigerator. I've got 4 ramekins that was greased. To elevate my crumble, I decided to add some chopped pecans. By adding these chopped pecans, this is gonna give it an extra texture of crunch that I love so much. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start filling up our ramekins. This is how easy this is, man. It smells amazing so far. We're gonna put about this much inside here. I've got 4 of them. That should be perfect for this recipe. Yes, perfect. So, adding this beautiful crumble looks so good. On top of this is how we're gonna do it. You notice I'm not packing it in. We're letting it go on there loosely, okay? Perfect. And this here is gonna go into a 350-degree oven, and we're gonna bake this here for about 45 minutes, but we continue checking it to get the right temperature on that. Looking good. These are fresh right out of the oven. Took about 40 minutes, exactly. Looking good. I like the dribble on the side from the blueberries. The crust looks like it's crispy. The smell is amazing. It's still a little hot. You just gotta cool down a bit. But I'm gonna give this a taste. This goes well with some vanilla bean ice cream. We're gonna give this a taste. Get a little bit of this crumb topping. Nice and hot. It's best to let this cool down so you don't burn your mouth. I can't wait. Oh my goodness. Yo. Let me tell you something. This crumb topping is everything. The filling that I use with the apricot and the blue cheese, the little tart of lime zest that I put in here, the lime juice, the sweetness, the tartness, the crispiness of the crust, this crumble, especially when I added the pecans. This right here is definitely a winner. You gotta give this here a shot. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Hope you guys love this too. If there's anything you guys would like to see me make, please make a comment in the comment section of any of my videos. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can know every time I upload a brand new video every single week. Tastiness, funness, coming your way every week. Join me, Chef Winston. Cheers.